Hi YouTube, here's my Hoover Turbopower 2 U2462. This is from June 1994. It's actually 3 months younger than me. I got this off eBay for £5. The main reason I bought it was because it was literally a 5-minute drive to pick it up from my house. Probably not even that, probably about 3 minutes. It was only up the road. And I also bought it because it was a standard version, and I only had AutoSense models, so I thought that'd be a nice change. The U2462 was Hoover's bottom-of-the-line Turbopower 2 from the original lineup, as it was just the standard single-speed version with no bells and whistles. There was the U2464, which was middle of the line, that had AutoSense. I also have that model. And then there was the U2466, which had AutoSense and a permabag system too. The U2462 is in kind of a dark blue, but it's like a light blue at the same time. Hoover do have a specific name for this colour, but the name of that colour escapes me right now. But it's not as dark as it looks on camera, I can tell you that. The U2464 is grey with a red bumper, and the U2466 is blueberry metallic, same colour as the Turbopower 1000 U2812. All three models from the original lineup were 800 watts. So I think that's all the info there is to say on it, so I'll give you an overview. You probably first noticed that the 2 for where it says Turbopower 2 is fading a bit. If I zoom in a bit, you can see it much clearer. But the line for where it says under power and the 2 is fading. I don't know how that's happened, but oh well. But anyway, it says Turbopower 2 with edge cleaning, which they do edge clean. 4-position height adjustment, so you've got short pile carpet, medium pile carpet, long pile carpet and hard floors, and extra long pile carpet and tool mode. There's your micro exhaust filter, Hoover lettering and royal appointment. You probably noticed this wonderful big split in the back door. Now, this bag door was made in 1992, and the earlier bag doors on Turbopower 2s did seem to split more easily. I haven't had a problem with my Turbopower 3, which the bag door was made in about the mid-90s, so they supposedly fixed it on the later models, but as it doesn't have suction release, well, this one does, but as the Turbopower 2s don't have suction release, there's nowhere else for the pressure to go apart from right here in the centre, so it does split. There's the blanking sticker for where on the very, very early models would have been a piston bagful indicator. There's the release for the bag door. Press that down and lift it off, which inside is a very old, shabby, crinkly looking bag, which probably isn't genuine. Nope. But anyway, there's your bag, and there's a little red button here that you press at the back, which releases the bag. You got 2 pre-filters. You've got the foam sponge filter and the carbon filter there, and then underneath that is the internal tube to the fan. That foam filter is a bit damaged there, but never mind. I can show you the split in the bag door. If I press on it, you're probably able to see it flex. Right at that centre point there. There you go, that's brilliant, it's stuck. This is a very long crack, but it doesn't really matter to me that much, because I don't really use this machine a lot. But anyway, there's the switch panel. Being this a standard version, it just has on-off and your bag full indicator light. The Hoover badge on the handle has fell off, but being nearly 20 years old, I mean, adhesive does go non-sticky after some time, so it's common for them to fall off. 6-metre cable with 360-degree swivelling card hook. Now there is a bottom card hook, obviously, and that's also a carrying handle, but you can carry it from the front as well, whichever feels more comfortable. Here are the onboard tools. It does have them all. So you got your hose. Now this is a narrow diameter hose with a straight hand grip. Most Turbopower 2s will use this hose. But the hose that actually came on it was a wide hose with a ergonomic curved hand grip. Now, for some reason, Hoover did put these on Turbopower 2s for a short time, but I personally don't like this hose because it doesn't fit properly around the tool caddy, mainly because it has the short crevice tool. If the models that did away with the short crevice tool, yes, this hose does fit in better, but this one you have to really squeeze it in, and I just don't like it. So I like it on the Turbopower 3 though. But anyway, that's your hose. Just fits neatly there. Short crevice tool with Hoover stamped on it. Upholstery tool. I really do like that upholstery tool. Dusting brush with relatively soft bristles. And your extension wand, and inside that a long scabbard crevice tool. That crevice tool is great for cleaning down the side of car seats. But anyway, the tools fit very neatly at the back. I do love how all the tools store neatly at the back on the Turbopower 2, and when you look at it from the front, you can't see any of the tools, unlike modern vacuums that have them sticking out everywhere. Here's the rating sticker, which I doubt you'll be able to read. Anyway, it says Hoover model U2462, 240 volts, 800 watts, serial number U2462-406, indicating that it was made in June 1994. Made in EC, which will either be Spain or the UK, probably the UK. Now, the only damage on this machine is, like I said, the bag door, the faded lettering bit there, and this very slight crack here. It's not very long, it's just right at the back here, but that doesn't bother me because you can barely see it. But I'll just show you underneath and then I'll get this in action. So here's the activator brush roll that all Turbopower models had. It's got the beta pads here and the very stiff bristles that groom the carpet nicely. The splayed edge brushes that clean up to the edge. Very close to the edge they get. This has the older style dust channel that screws in, but it does have the newer type sole plate, because as you can see there's two notches there, which on the quick release dust channel it slots into. The oldest type sole plate didn't have this. But anyway, that's the underneath. So I'll now show you in action, if you've managed to watch all 10 minutes. I do like to talk a lot, as you've probably noticed. Sorry about the mess in the background. I'm in the process of tidying my bedroom at the moment. So I'll put some sawdust down and away we go. Oh, it would fall off, wouldn't it? So, here goes. So there you go. Sorry, lost my voice a bit there. So yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I will see you, or more like you'll hear me, in my next video. God, that lighting's awful. But anyway, yeah. Bye.